Good evening, children. We need to protect our environment and the animals that are a part of it. Animals love being in their own environment and they love their freedom. Today's story is Goldfish Fido. In Nishki's room, there was a glass bowl filled with clear water. And in the bowl lived a goldfish all by himself. Nishki had brought it from the supermarket and had named him Fido lovingly. Nishki took all his care and fed Fido twice a day. She gave him fish chunks once in the morning before going to school and then when she came home after playing in the evening. Fido enjoyed these 2 times with Nishki the most. He would come out to the surface and leap over water many times to show his pleasure. I'm as happy as I can be, Nishki is fun as fun can be, sang Fido, and Nishki knew she was lucky to have such a friend. One day, Nishki floated a small red ball with a red stripe in the bowl to play. Both Nishki and Fido played with it on the surface of the water for a long time. Nishki was astonished when Fido pushed the ball on his own, balanced it at his tail fin, and carried it behind his back for a long time. She clapped her hands for joy, and life for Fido became much more interesting and he liked Nishki more and more. Fido was now only greedy for her love and the fish chunk that Nishki threw in his bowl each morning. One day, a feeble ray of sun made Nishki wake up late. In a hurry, she left for the school without giving Fido his food. In no time, a hungry Fido started leaping about on the surface to look around for Nishki. He swam and leapt and swam. In the afternoon, Nishki came running along and put the food in Fido's bowl. I'm very sorry, she cried. But Fido whipped around happily in the bowl, eating, sliding, leaping and laughing. Suddenly, he sped and leapt so high that it leapt out of his bowl, pulling the red ball along with him. Out of the water altogether, he felt quite lost. He fluttered and gasped for the air. Little Nishki did not know how to help. Luckily, her kitten mewed so loudly that mother came running to see what happened. And she was able to put Fido back in the bowl again with all her speed. Fido swam round and round inside the bowl to show how thankful he was. But a sensitive Nishki was not thankful at all. She couldn't sleep a wink that night. And the very next day, with a very heavy heart, she decided to leave him to a nearby pond and set Fido free in it forever. Fido felt sad. He was thirsty of Nishki's care and friendship. And finding a new surrounding, he got terrified. He did not really want to live in the pond that was dark and full of shadows. But Nishki stood firm. She had seen the pain and the suffering of the helpless fish, and it was for Fido's good only. Fido came to the surface of the pond daily to meet Nishki in the evenings at the same time. And little Nishki never disappointed him and threw fish chunks daily. One day, to Nishki's surprise, Fido was joined by another fish in his fun. They both went round and round in the pond and leapt happily one by one before eating the food chunks. Nishki smiled at them. Fido was safe as well as happy. Thank you, children. Good night. Take care.